To all of my beet lovers, this video is for you. So I decided to make a beet juice using carrots, ginger, and beets. I cleaned them, chopped them up, and now it's time to juice. I started with just the beet because I wanted to see what beet actually tastes like when you juice it. So that's what I started off with. So we're gonna see what it tastes like. We about to see what it's giving. So that's the waste that's coming out. I will say it's a beautiful color, and it has like a very distinct type of smell. It smells fresh. Um, and yeah, it was really interesting working with beets for the first time. So that's me tasting it. I'm like, let me taste some more so I can give it a certain number. And I give it a 6, 7. My first time trying it. So now I'm adding the other ingredients so we can blend it all together now. And we're going to see what it tastes like the beets, carrots, and ginger together. And in my personal opinion, ginger makes everything taste better. I love spice, you know. I'm not a Latina, but I'm a little spicy. So I felt like that was a good mix to bring it all together. And it has a lot of nutritional values. Carrots is good for eyesight. Ginger overall is good for everything pretty much, and beet as well. So I thought it was a really good mix that I did together. And let's see how much I can get into my 3-liter quart. Let's see. So I actually was able to make 2 liters into my juice container, and it came out pretty good. From a 1 to 10, I'll give it a 7. It was interesting tasting this for the first time. Stay tuned because I have more recipes coming your way. Bye.